to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a BB gun. That sounds more like a actual gun, but sorry about that. But I'm going to be reviewing the Sportsman 900. As you can see right here, it has a steel barrel, fiber optic sights. It also comes with a scope, but I prefer the fiber optic sights. And it's made of plastic, which I'd rather have it metal, but it's cool. Plastic design is cool. And this is how you load it. You pull this back, you get a BB in there, pull this back down this way and then down. Then you take this and pump it. About like it depends on how much you want it pumped. But I prefer 6 from this distance. Like over there is the pop can, like right there, like right around there somewhere. See it? Yeah. So it's around that area, and well, I prefer 6 because 6 is the lucky number from back here. Anyway, it's pretty far away from there. It's a good gun. I mean, like I said, there's fiber optic sights. So I will get it the rest of the way pumped, and I'll see you dudes back in a second. Hello, dudes. I'm back and ready. So I'm going to. Hold on, give me a second. Alright. Unfortunately, dudes, I can't show you how like me aiming it, but I can show you me shooting the can, okay? So, aiming for the can in 3, 2, 1. Did not hit it. Three, 2, 1. Nope. My aim is all off now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks a lot, dudes. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Again, didn't hit it. Man, you guys really. Oh, look, I think I hit it. Well, you guys seen it fall. Just going to take it as the answer of that. I hit it. I didn't hear a ping, so I doubt I actually did hit it, so I don't know. But like I said, it's a good BB gun. It's $50 at Walmart. It's $50 at Walmart. It's a good gun, and I hope you guys were just watching. I think I paused it. So, well, in that case, well, thank you dudes so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.